Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in fintech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to activate your Opay card in 2025. If you're new to Opay or just received a fresh card, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Opay is a super convenient mobile payment app, and activating your card is key to unlocking seamless transactions, cashless payments, and even rewards. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Opay app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and download or update Opay if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up using your phone number and verify it with an OTP sent via SMS. Now, navigate to the Cards or Wallet section in the app. It's usually found on the home screen or in the menu. Select your Opay card from the list. If it's your first time, you might need to add it by entering the card details like the 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV. Next, look for the Activate Card option. This is where things get exciting. You'll be prompted to verify your identity, often through a one-time PIN sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter that code promptly to proceed. After verification, you might need to set a PIN for your card or enable additional security features like biometric authentication. Once that's complete, your card should be activated and ready for use. Remember, in 2025, Opay has enhanced security, so double-check for any app updates that could affect the process. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like verification delays, contact Opay's customer support through the app. They're usually super responsive. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Opay card. Now you can start making payments, withdrawals, and more. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more fintech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.